Oh, that's not now. 75. Okay. Do you see now my skin, right?
Right, sir.
Clients will do now. Clients ranges will do it. Subroutine. Exact report size. So before going for giants, some concept required. Okay. So before going for the giants, I think sometime back, very initially, maybe we discussed this one, right? I think we have done this one already. These comparisons, right? So we'll go directly now. Suppose see the earlier program, right? What we have done this one. Roll this program. right? This program now, okay. So you have to, this is homework to you. So you should declare your one internal table. No? This is the flow. So you should know this is your IT underscore Mora. You got the data. You got now IT underscore MARC also. Two different internal tables. Okay, here you should make it one final internal table. This is a homework. Do it must because without this, no ABAP code will be there. Every ABAP program, this is how we'll do process. You have two internal tables from here and here. No select statement is internal table here. So from here into this fields, what fields we should come here is it should come here. MATNR, material type, MATKL, industry sector. MATNR, MTKL. Four fields, MEINS. Okay. 1 to 4 fields from the first table. Second table is plant, EKGRP, VBST. What is third field? Keep it open your MARC table when I am taking the class because a lot of things I'll take example through MARC only. MARA, MARC. PST80. Value maintenance status. PST80. PST80. Okay. And maybe one more field if you want. In MARC. Reorder point. This field. This also should print. This should be your homework. So hint is loop statement and modify internal table should do. So this is the final table, IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. This you should display output. This is your output. So I'll give this one as a homework. This is the flow. Code is already is there. The code. Internal table IT underscore final should contain both the above fields from IT underscore Mara and IT underscore MRC, and output should display. Okay, clear? Hello? Next, join condition here. Mm, Select star from. So you can write your join condition directly, like the same fields I'll write here now. Select A of MATNR, A of material type, A of material group from B of works, B of EKGRP from Mara as a inner join MARC as P on A of MATNR equal to B of MATNR.
From or 16.
From Mara as A. Yes. A is alias name
So 2 times.
from Mara. Yes, number of records. So what is going to print this statement? This tilde symbol is to differentiate which table fields you are taking this one. Tilde. A is alias name. Into should do is right from into table IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Now tell me how to declare this IT underscore Mara underscore Marcy. Using what concept? Types, right? Types begin of TY underscore Mara underscore MARC. Right? MATNR type Mara FMATNR. Material type Mara hyphen MTRT. MATKL type Mara FNMATKL. MAINS type MARC. Sorry, works, right? Works type MARC hyphen works. EKGRP type MARC hyphen EKGRP. End of TOI underscore Mara underscore MS. Check syntax. So I not declare here. Declare here IT underscore Mara underscore MRC type table of TV underscore Mara underscore MRC. Check syntax here. Done. Now tell me if I execute this, think of how it works, this select statement. Think of what the select statement will do exactly.
Matching two table fields.
So same like earlier case only, right? You are joining both the tables based on the material number. What is the difference between this one and that one? What a this is one shot, right? You one shot you are going to get the data. If check syntax, activate 3622. Records is bought here. Okay. So now we'll write outer join. I'll put number of records fetched is outer join. Let's see how many records prints here. Right? So while this number of records is different, think of what is the outer join, what is the left join, how it works. Hmm? I'll give this code for 10 minutes try how it works. Analyze yourself. Try that. First try yourself.
Hey Mahesh, I believe you're presenting your screen and somehow we
Oh,
are
is it?
seeing your chat. In case if you don't mind to order something for us too.
Last 24 hours now, I don't have lunch food.
Fasting, sir.
Long gap.
Okay. Complete trust your stomach.
Hmm. Complete light became very light body when I went gym today.
So,
This complete now the new SAP, all this CDS views, everything is works on CDS in the giant conditions only. Complete giants only. I'll give you other code. One more is inner giant. Check this one, it will be more interesting. Take the second program. Try to analyze both. I mean, both analyze means inner giant output and outer giant output. Very interesting, actually. If you take this program, so I can copy it. But obviously, wherever material number is matching, see here. Notepad. Mara. Okay. Material number. Material type is material type. Material number 100. Material type is raw material. Material number 200. Finished material. Material number 300. Raw material. Okay. This is Mara table. MARC table. Material number and plant. So material number 100. Plant 1000. Material number 200. Plant. Plant 3000. Okay. If you write inner join on these two, what will be the output? MATNR works. Tell me anyone. Suppose if I apply an inner join on the common field, material number, what will be the output? How many records it comes output? How many records will comes? 2 or 3 or 4? Here 3. Here 2 records. If I apply inner join on these two tables, so how many records will come?
2 records.
2 records, right? Because this M100, M200 in both the tables is there here. So output should be M100 plant number 1000, plant 1000 here. Okay, M100 plant 1000. Second one, M200 plant 3000. Okay, this is for inner join. If I apply outer join, how many records will come? Think of if I apply outer join. It brings 2 records or 3 records?
3 records.
3 records, right? So what is that? M100 plant 1000, M200 plant 3000. What is third record? M300. That's no empty here, right? Because there is no value existing here, right? For that second table. This is the concept of outer join, left outer join. It brings all the records from the left side. Okay, if you want more practical, you go to here. Activate here. Execute now. Okay, check it here. Activate. Execute. Check it here. So inner join, if I apply in these two tables, so 28 records came. Outer join came 39 records. So how you can check it here is there is an extra record. We'll analyze this record. This record. I'll open the code parallelly. Display. See here. This is standard tables, demo tables. SCRR is one table. And SPFLI is other table here. We're comparing the char ID is equal to both the tables wherever it is matching. Okay. So if you matching here inner join, output is coming 39 top. 28 records is coming. Where you have the data available for both the tables for that field. Okay. Whereas here 39 is coming. For example, if you take a record, this record, AC. AC is the flight type, AC. You go to first table is one. Go to here. Right? If you go to here, go to here. Airline code, AC. Execute. There is a one record in the second table. AC, Air Canada, Canada dollars. This is the first table. Whereas if you go to second table, right? SPFLI. Go to SPFLI. SPFLI. If we go to display, char ID, sorry, char ID, AC, right? Char ID AC. How do you know char ID? Go to here. You can change the fields here. Major parameters. You can change the field names here. This one. Char ID AC. No record. Okay, this is the concept. Because the left side table, if you don't have the record, left side and right side, both is available only you get the inner join data. Since you don't have for this record, here, for this record, Air Canada, AC, this record is available only in the left side table. Right side table you don't have. That's why the record will come as output, but empty for the fields from the right side table. That's the meaning here. Air Canada. From here, all these three fields are 0. What these three fields from the second table? If you go to select statement, right? Second table name is SP. SP field, this two. Country from and country to. And connection ID. Right? So all these fields will be empty in the output. This field empty, this field empty, this field empty. Because there is no record existing. These two are from the second table. Sorry, left side table. Any questions here, please? What is the use of that EA and all? So any question here? From 103 to 109.
So just want to understand, can you
Yes.
can you just show me the earlier query which we have wrote it for the inner join?
Inner join, yes. All entries you are asking, right? This is inner join already.
Yeah.
You are asking Mara, Marsik, inner join or
No,
all entries?
anywhere, that is fine. Anywhere, that's fine. So just want to understand. So when I'm saying inner join, it is going to, because I noticed that when you wrote the query for the inner join, it's without left or right. You did not give anything like that. You simply say that, okay, select from this, giving alias, the table name field, and then saying some, values, I believe, right? And then matching it.
This is
So
inner join. I mentioned
yeah,
inner join.
inner join. Yeah, exactly. So inner join is like you are you are comparing based on some field. It's a primary field or some sort of, or any
Not
field
required
can
to
be
be primary key field, common field. That's all.
common field.
Common field.
Okay, okay.
Common field.
So it is going to give the value from both where the fields are matching. Now coming to
Data,
the
data,
outer
data.
join,
Data is matching. Field data.
field data is
Not
matching.
field
Okay,
name.
perfect.
Not field name.
Okay, okay. Field data. Okay. But when I come to the outer join, you have wrote that the query something like left outer join. What does it mean? That is it something specific to the, can it write with a right outer join also, something like this?
This is so from left side when you apply, left side all the records will come.
So
Not all the
left side
records.
means first table, right? You are saying.
First table. First table.
Okay.
So right outer join if you apply, right? So rights if even the left side for
The
this
data is
for
not
that
matching,
specific is
right
not
side on
available,
the
right
left.
side table will come. Else will come.
Okay, okay, okay. Makes sense here. Okay. I think we need to practice this one because we right now, frankly speaking, I cannot ask any question on this. Yeah,
Actually, I
this
was
is.
telling without joins, there is no ABAP at all, no onwards. Why now I'm saying here is when we were writing earlier some time back, joins we were not writing preferably. Two reasons. One reason is performance wise was not so great compared to for all entry statement. Inner
Mhm.
join. Second one problem is even now also now inner joins will works fast compared to for all entries. Problem is where it comes problem is when you are joining multiple tables, will be a problem complex to find where the problem went. Suppose two tables
Mhm.
is okay. You can join 10 tables also at one shot.
Mhm.
This same select statement, now I am joining two tables here. I can join 4, 5 tables also, 6 tables also I can do it.
Mhm.
You got my point?
Yeah,
In
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
case, to find the data, anything not coming exactly what is expected is very difficult to find out. Whereas for all entries, step by step we go. It's easy to find where is the problem. That's why in the
So,
projects, we
mhm.
were not generally prefer these joins, but in the CDS view, no other option. Must. CDS means joins only.
Mhm.
Same what this inner join we are doing, right? Same thing you can use that for all entry statement as well. For all entry
Mhm.
statement, what we have done, same concept. For
So
all
you
entries
are
is
saying
good.
that join is not efficient statement as compared to the for all entries, right? As compared to a for all entry,
Efficient
something
in
like.
the sense of data analysis if something goes wrong. We don't know which query is failed. Because at one step only you can write multiple, this select statement you are writing. You can write 3, 4 tables also you can join. The right data is not coming, which join condition failed is not so easy to understood. For that reason
Mhm.
only, in real-time projects, generally we don't prefer the joins. But since now we are doing all the CDSV, so joins is mandatory there, no other option. But in the ABAP program, still there is option. Without the joins, you can go for all entry statements.
Mhm. Yeah.
99.5% programs will be having for all entry statements in real-time projects,
Yeah, and
more or
there you
less.
might be there using nested conditions to,
If conditions, my
yeah,
nested
okay.
conditions, yes, in the sense basically 4, 5 tables, first table get next for all entries apply,
Yeah, yeah.
next
So
for all
something like
entries like that.
join, yeah. I'm saying
Yes.
five, instead of doing five table inner join, instead of we can do nested conditions and then make, okay.
Either 5 tables in one shot internal table or 5 different select statements using for all entries. If you use that for all entries separately, challenge is this one. You should build this one. What I gave you homework. This you have to
Mhm.
build. This is the
Okay.
challenge. Not a challenge. You refer after going this one, any one of you is working, you can see every program, this type of coding will be there. First, we bring the data, individual data here like this. And
Mhm.
maybe one more row, maybe ID underscore MARD, for example. Then we'll combine all these things into as one final internal table. Check it in SAP, all existing programs. There will not be any ABAP program without final internal table. This is called final internal table. Consolidation of this internal table, this internal table, this internal table is the final internal table. This one. This will be there. This logic will be there. Every projects will be having this concept.
So what does it mean when you are saying this table and we are joining? Is it something like we are talking about the pool and cluster table? It's a
No. This is internal tables. This is what I just gave the homework for the. For all and this, what we have done? We have done Mara table, get that data. And then for all and this of this, we have got the data from MARC table. This data in the code. That we have done. This is MARC data.
Yeah.
So this you got the MARE data here. You got now here. Now all business requirements will be to combine these two, this one and this one, to make it this one. Now your ABAP skills is required. Loop, modify statements. Apply that. Practice it. Without that, no ABAP code will be existing for last 30 years or 40 years. The report to outbound interface, everywhere this is required, even in inbound interfaces, everywhere this logic is required. Combining multiple internal tables into one internal table. This is nothing but combining one internal table from multiple internal tables. The common field. There is a common field here. That's the concept. Okay, stop here. Stop recording.